Welcome to Employ. I'm Mina, your AI virtual assistant. This is your dashboard where you'll find all the job postings you create. I'll briefly explain how to use our platform. Let's enter this test job posting. Each job posting has its own ATS with unique profiles for each applicant. All candidates have already been interviewed by our AI recruiters. We save you hundreds of hours in calls. Review the applicants and choose your ideal candidate. Let's see what's in the candidates' profiles. Here you can find all the information about the candidates. You can navigate through the entire interview, view, and evaluate the responses. On the right side, you can track the recruitment stages the applicant has gone through. You also have a chat to share feedback about the candidate with your colleagues. Finally, as part of the recruitment process automation, you can select from here whether to reject the candidate, move them to the next stage, or hire them. That's all. Now it's your turn to create job postings. If you have any questions, you can contact us through the live chat at the bottom right. Thank you for using Employ and welcome to the future of recruiting.